Right. So, this is my new bike for a few years, I guess. For the years to come. It is a giant Anthem X cross-country full suspension bike. Has 100 millimeters of suspension in the front and the back, as you would expect with a XC bike. So it has a Ritchie comp swept back seat post. It has Maxxis Icon tires front and rear. Has 11-speed Shimano XT drivetrain. Currently I'm running Crank Brothers Candy pedals. The suspension is Fox Float, running it at 15% sag. I have specialized body geometry grips on there currently for some Mavic hubs. I have just a giant stock stem, I'm guessing. I got this bike used, so I'm not completely sure what's stock and what's not stock. I have some core bars and a Cell Royale seat, whatever that is. Okay, and now for the review part. So I've been riding this bike for some weeks now, and so I've noticed it rockets up the climbs, unlike my old Jameis Dragonfly. As well, the Jameis Dragonfly could go downhill well. This can also go downhill well, but I like this bike better for climbing, and I haven't gotten to do any races yet, but I'm hoping to do some of the short track series and some of the Torque time trial races. So yeah. I noticed for around here at least it's nice because it can go up hills easy, like I said. Good. It can descend well as well. It has 29-inch wheels, so it rolls over lots of stuff easily. My dad also got a new bike, Ridley, with also 29-inch wheels, and he noticed a big difference as well from his old bike. So I think that's about it for this bike. It's a great bike. I like it a lot. And yeah. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video on my new giant Anthem X. Thanks a ton to John Baxter for giving it to me for a great price. So yeah, thanks, thank him a lot. Thanks to him, can make this video happen, and I can shred a new mountain bike. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one, and yeah, peace.